How to upload longer videos on your Instagram story. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can upload longer videos on your Instagram story. So let's dive in. First, you have to come to your app store on your phone, and then you have to open this Instagram app, and now you simply have to click update. Make sure you update the app, and once the app is updated, I'm going to tell you what to do next. Now once the app is updated, click open, and then it's going to bring you to your Instagram app, and now simply click this plus sign, or you can just slide to the right side, and here you can see you have these options over here, and then you can just record a story, and it can be as long as you want it to be. You can go to the reel section and you can record a reel up to the time limit that you want, and that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.